12 years ago, a journey to hunt for creativity and raw talent amongst youngsters began. Two enlightened men offered a stage to young minds to show off their talents. They led us on a path to a glorified land that dwells on imaginations and creations. As time passed by, days became years. This hunt only grew wilder and mightier. Passion, dedication, and enthusiasm were smaller parameters to contain and confine these little minds into. History had been created last year. This year, we scripted an epic. This exhibition had an august and large gathering of those who not only came to enjoy art, but also to respect creativity. And all visuals turned into creations. Newer objectives have been set, and fresher conquests had to be laid for the raw minds to bring out better creations.
Before proceeding further, let's hear it from the person who laid the foundations.
The beginning, and we can, once, as I said earlier, that once you step in, you can see all the hard work. So continue doing that, and we are there with you, to help you to build that portfolio. But it is your work. That's the ultimate. That we want to give you, quality placements. So continue doing the good work which you have been doing for this Akriti. So continue that.
There's nothing known as a bad design or a good design. It's art. There's plenty of opportunity in the digital scene.
There's a lot of effort, enthusiasm. I really appreciate that the time you guys have taken, and of course the faculties in terms of guiding each one of you.
आप किसी भी प्रकार की मेहनत करो, कभी भी करो, लेकिन आपको फल तो मिलता ही है.
2013 to make it such a big event, which actually everybody in AppTech HO also waits for this event.
I was a student here, part of Akriti too. So Akriti has also grown.
So I want to wish all of you all the very best, and I'm sure all of you are going to do a great job.
एक बार मैं एक ऐसे एग्जीबिशन में आया हूँ अपनी लाइफ में, and speechless because इतना talent है यहाँ पे, it's nothing silly. I wish I could spend some more time today.
The exhibition turns the students into entrepreneurs. This is not just a playground, but also a true blue classroom.
I have made an ad campaign on a health and diet company, and it was really nice working and got to learn a lot.
The experience is quite good.
हमारी मूवी का नाम आंगनवाड़ी है. हमने पहले प्री प्रोडक्शन किया, उसके बाद पूरा प्लानिंग करके.
It was really good working in 3D incubation.
Art is everywhere, especially in our cultural roots. Traditional workshops of clay modeling and Warli art not only arouse curiosity but also introduce students to the regional ethnicities of their land.
Each one of them was unique in their own way.
Indian culture brings with it many forms of entertainment. Among them, the most expressive one is dance. Students tirelessly choreographed their respective acts. A country which is hugely influenced by Bollywood has its roots firmly set in dramas, plays and parodies. A determined and an endless source of motivation single-handedly took over the entire responsibility to make this event the one to remember.
Students have come out with a unique exhibition theme. I would like to congratulate all the team of sketchers mentored by Mr. Rajiv Manya. I would also like to congratulate all the volunteers who have put in hard work in spite of all the shortcomings. We had a power failure also in between, but they kept the exhibition going on. This Akriti is the best exhibit of any kind of artwork in the last 13 years, and I wish that it will be remembered in the coming years.
when the going gets tough, the tough get going. Indeed, that was the case when hardships dawned. Our brave warriors had the determined character it took to fight off those adversities and emerged victorious. Parents and visitors were kind enough to provide their valuable feedback and insights to their mind.
अच्छा लगा के भी और बच्चों लोग का जुनून भी अच्छा लगा है, क्रेज है करने के लिए।
You should keep up with good work. जो प्रोग्रेस है सब स्टूडेंट्स का बहुत अच्छा है।
But what you guys do is it's really amazing. I mean I don't have other words for that.
It took a leader and a director to light the torch and show the way for this exhibition.
आकृति 2013 कई मायनों में याद किया जाएगा। 125 के ऊपर एड कैंपेन प्रिंट में थे, 50 के ऊपर टीवीसी थे, 50 के ऊपर प्रोडक्ट ऐड थे, 50 के ऊपर जूरी मेंबर थे एंड ये सब एकेडमिक इवेंट के अलावा हमारे पास क्रिकेट मैच भी हुआ, कैरम भी हुआ, चेस भी हुआ, कल्चरल भी हुआ। तो ये आकृति मैं याद करना चाहूँगा स्टूडेंट और वॉलंटियर के एफर्ट के लिए और उनके पैशन के लिए, उनके हार्डवर्क के लिए। 50-100 के ऊपर कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स के लिए, कॉमिक कैरेक्टर के लिए जिन्हें हम शायद भूल गए थे, उन्हें हमने वापस देखा, लाइव देखा और फैकल्टीज के एफर्ट के लिए। थैंक यू फैकल्टी एंड ऑल द बेस्ट टू ऑल स्टूडेंट हु पार्टिसिपेटेड। थैंक यू, गुड लक।